Hello, I am sharing this video. Maybe some people can be benefited from this video. You can see on my screen, on my monitor, the text is cut off from the top. And I have tried and watched many tutorial, and most of they are showing that the display setting, like here, display setting, and they are recommending to change the display resolution, but it's okay on my laptop, but it's still cutting off the top text. So how you can fix that? You need to open the monitor settings. On your monitor you will have buttons, and you can open settings, and then click here and scroll down. Under image settings, on my HP monitor, you can see auto adjustment option. So from here you need to select the auto adjustment option and click on the done, and you can see auto adjustment in progressing. And if I show you now, you can see the text, the top text is not cutting anymore. Thank you.